Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Tuesday and let's get right to the charts. As right now things have changed since Monday. Basically yesterday we were looking at a potential breakout right here. As you know, during the weekend I was talking about that bearish retest and head and shoulders forming right here. And yesterday it looked like that Bitcoin wanted to run higher, but the bearish scenario is actually playing out. You can see we have actually confirmed this head and shoulders pattern right here, and the price for this pattern is just around $61,000, which is the value area low of this range. Basically, if we drop down on the 4-hourly, you can clearly see right here. And right now we have dropped basically below the POC level, which is of course a very important level that we did not want price to lose in order for more upside continuation. But right now we have lost this level, as you can clearly see right here. So there are a couple of levels that we need to take out. You can see those levels right here have not been swept. So I believe a completely normal move towards the downside is to be expected, how I was talking about basically last week. It is looking like it's going to happen now. We do have that FOMC meeting tomorrow. We don't have that much news coming out today, but tomorrow is going to be the very important day. Basically no rate cut is expected. It is already priced in, I believe, if we don't get a surprise rate hike, but that is less likely to happen, of course. The stock market right now also did see quite a bit of sell-off. The S&P 500 is still right here in, so to say, an ascending channel triangle forming up right here. The Nasdaq on the other side has broken down below its support levels. And right now the next targets, as you can see, are remaining going to be around those levels right here that have not been swept. Basically, during this whole parabolic move towards the upside, there are lots of liquidations left right here. So the market makers on the Nasdaq, they will eventually go down to take out those levels. And then the lowest targets are, of course, these previous order blocks that we had right here. But this is of course not going to happen that fast, as you know. That's like 14 to 18% of a move, and for the S&P 500 we first need to break this range that we are trading in right now. And if this breaks towards the downside, 7,230 is going to be the next level. And right around here, the monthly S3, we do have this so to say order block fair value gap that I believe will get tested, and maybe we bounce from right here again. Looking at the dollar right now, the dollar is still sitting strong, potentially going to retest this high that I have right here at 101.95. So this is the next key level to watch for the dollar. I am still bullish on the dollar. As you can see it on the weekly time frame, we are just hanging around the yearly pivot. And if we break the yearly pivot, I do believe that in the near future, the yearly R1 could get tested as well. But anyways, that would be enough for the traditional markets. Now going back to Bitcoin, you can see we had quite the big move yesterday. From the top, we dropped down like 4%. And right now we are just consolidating around the VWAP. Currently Bitcoin is trying to reclaim VWAP. We are trying to remain above it and to potentially continue higher. But as you can see, we got some longs closing out right here during this move down. And right now, as we have price going down and CVD going down, there are some short positions opening up right here at this low. So potentially we could very well see another move down, but this is of course going to take a while, and maybe it's gonna look something like this. We go up, we try to retest these levels, and then we head back down again. But right now, overall, things are not looking the greatest after this move that we had yesterday. So be wary of that. On the liquidation heatmap side of things, you can see we have lots of liquidity sitting just below these levels right here. So that's the next major liquidation cluster that we are looking for, and this is where potentially price is going to be heading next. Fear and Greed Index, the sentiment is starting to drop again, currently at 34. We are still in the fear zone, so nothing new. Spot ETFs, we do have 11 million of Bitcoin spot ETFs outflow yesterday, not that much, but we still saw a move towards the downside. Long versus shorts ratio right now, we do have more shorts in the market, as I said. Right here, right now, there are shorts opening. So be wary of that as well. And as I said, tomorrow expect the FOMC meeting to be giving us some volatility. On Friday, also expect the Bank of Japan fund rates to be giving us some volatility. And yes, guys, I do believe that this would cover it for today. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.